Jacket. Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natasha, and you guys know I am so freaking excited because when Auntie Jackie comes out with a palette, what do? You go get that palette, sis. So you guys know I'm here because Jackie Aina did collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills to bring this beautiful palette. Now, this palette is so freaking gorgeous. I love everything about it. I love the outside detail. I feel like they put a lot into this palette. This taupe shade is so pretty, but then when you go to open it, it does have reflectors of a green, blue. I'm seeing a little bit of purple. I think they went above and beyond to create this palette. Let me go ahead and just open this for you. All I heard was, oh. These are the shadows that come in the palette. Now, we're not gonna judge because I know you guys see my finger pressed into one of them. The struggle was real, okay, sis? Leave me alone. So let me first just kind of talk about the palette. I do have some notes here. So Anastasia Beverly Hills usually comes out with a palette that has 14 shades. Now in this palette, there are 6 matte shades, 6 metallic shades, as well as 2 sparkling shades. Now I know sometimes people get metallic confused with sparkling. So the 2 sparkling shades that are in this palette are Zam, which is right here, and Trust Issues, which is right here, okay? I just wanna say congratulations, Jackie. This is amazing. I am so happy you were able to collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills because they put out really good palettes and this is just flawless, okay? So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look using the Jackie Aina palette, please keep watching. Now let's go ahead and get this party started. I am using my Revlon. This is the Candid concealer. I'm gonna use this to prime my eyes today. And we're just going to blend the concealer out. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty powder and I'm gonna set under my eyes just in case there's any fallout. I wanna make sure that I'm able to just brush it away. And I'm just taking a sponge. If you guys watched my June favorites, I talked about the 75 sponges that I did get from Burlington. You guys already know I am just super excited to use this palette and it's actually kind of heavy. The first shade that I'm gonna start out with is Ginger, which is right here. Once again, I'm gonna pick up this shade Ginger. It's very easy to blend, which is really good. Next, I'm just picking up the shade Edge. Oh yeah. Wow. And I am bringing the shade Edge into my inner corner, as well as the outer corner, inner corner. I'm gonna use the shade Credit. And the shade Credit, we're gonna put on the outer corner of the eye, just to kind of darken the look up. And just to make sure everything is blended, I'm just taking a brush with no product on it. And we're just going to blend out these edges, make sure everything is good. So to do my brow highlight today, I was gonna keep the look super matte, but you know, with this palette, I think I'm just gonna switch it up. So I'm gonna take one of the metallic shades. This is Soleil. Very, very pigmented. The shade I'm gonna use in my inner corner to kind of just give me a pop of color is the shade Sponsored. It's one of the metallic shades. I brought it up kind of far. Going back into the shade Sponsored. I'm just taking a black eyeliner, and I am going to use a brush today to apply my eyeliner. I feel like it just looks a little bit better when I do this method. Let's apply some mascara. I'm just taking my Voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. You guys already know this is a classic for me. It's one of my faves. Can't live without it. So I'm gonna take my Ardell. These are the 3D Faux Mink lashes. I did have to cut these lashes. They are just a little too big for my eyes. We want our real lashes to blend with the falsies, so I'm just grabbing my mascara once again. These little 3D lashes are giving me so much life. There was not a ton of fallout, so I'm very happy about that. I probably could have skipped putting the powder under my eyes. Just to add some fun to the look, I'm just taking a lime green eyeliner and I'm gonna place this in my waterline. I'm gonna go back into the shade Credit. I'm putting some mascara on my lower lash line. Now that the eye portion is complete, I am gonna take my Makeup Obsession. This is the highlighter. Now we can line our lips. I am gonna take a brown lip liner. This is from NYX. The lip shade that we're gonna use today is I Woke Up Like This. This is from NYX. I'm gonna grab my Gerard Cosmetics. This is in this scent Cucumber, and we're just going to spray our face to lock everything in. So my final thoughts on this palette would have to be amazing. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. I am obsessed with the shade Sponsored. That is what I have in my inner corner, and I think I'm gonna be wearing this look for a while. These are so buttery and creamy when applying them, and they blend out so well. So I'm super happy about that. Now I will be doing a couple more looks using this palette, so you can definitely feel like you got your money's worth. I just wanna thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. You guys know I appreciate the support. Until my next video, please do not forget to share, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. As always, you guys know I miss you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.